Now here we are in Jncquoi, Asia, in Lisbon, Portugal. I must say this is the most, or certainly one of the most, if not the most, beautiful, aesthetically setting hotels I've ever been to. Certainly in recent times. I've not yet ordered, but I'm just admiring the picturesque decor of the restaurant. It certainly is beautiful. Let's look at the roof, the lighting. I haven't tried the food yet, as I said, but I've heard that it's absolutely amazing, and we'll keep you posted. But yeah, Jncquoi, Lisbon, Portugal, which serves a type of Asian fusion menu, cross between Indian, Chinese, Japanese, I believe, and I think a few others. Yes, Jncquoi, Asia, based in the heart of Lisbon, in a beautiful, I could say, upmarket area of Lisbon.